In the Russian Far East stands a region called the Jewish Autonomous Oblast. What's the story behind it? Early on in the 20th century, after the Soviet authorities had impoverished Soviet Jewish people by requisitioning their property, the government sought to make them productive. And since the regime thought that people with the same ethnic or national background had to be associated with a distinct territory, it wanted to regroup its dispersed Jewish population. Starting in 1928, the settlement in what is the current capital of the area served as a means of opposing Zionism. Indeed, Hebrews' close ties to Judaism led the secular authorities to promote the use of the Yiddish language over it. The Soviet Union encouraged Jews to settle specifically in this remote region of the Far East as a means of securing an outpost out there. But because of the rough terrain and the harsh winter conditions of this remote region, which didn't help to encourage people to go there, the authorities allowed private land ownership. The Union also raised tens of millions of dollars from Western organizations officially to better the living conditions of Jews, but practically for war effort purposes. The Jewish population peaked in 1948 with around 50,000 Jews, or 25% of the oblast's total population. In 2021, less than 900 people, meaning less than 1% of the population, were Jews. Although the oblast has never been primarily Jewish, several leaders have had surnames that sound Jewish. Still, nowadays, the governor of the Jewish Autonomous Region is elected by Russian citizens who permanently reside in the region.